right, everyone, your days of struggling with residential electrical floor plans is over, hopefully. I have been working on these families for a long time, and you guys have been asking for them for also a long time. When you buy these families, you'll get this example file that we're looking at right now that shows you a full floor plan and with the full electrical plan, with the wiring diagram, all the lights, outlets, switches, all of that comes in it. So if you want to easily do what you're seeing here, I would suggest you take a good look at these families. So how I've done this is in order to release these as quickly as possible so that you guys can start using them and so that you could start solving your problems with your electrical plans. I'm going to roll this out in phases. This is phase 1, and so this is what I'm calling the electrical starter pack. So it comes with everything you need to do electrical plans. It comes with the electrical outlets, and it's just about every electrical outlet you could possibly need, both wall hosted, ceiling hosted, floor hosted, and then some non-hosted versions. It comes with other AV outlets. So we've got data, we've got phone, we've got audio jacks, we've got coaxial cable jacks, anything, cable runs, anything that you might need that's also an outlet but not specifically electrical. Then we've got some other electrical devices like doorbells, electrical panels, security cameras, smoke detection, and then recessed speakers, both on the wall and on the ceiling, for if you're doing surround sound in home theaters or anything like that. Then we've got some really good switch families that look correct. We've got multiple gang switches, not just single switches, which is what I think all of us have been used to using. And then I've got almost any light, hopefully, that you can conceive of, any type of light. We've got flush mounts, we've got just sockets, we've got surface mount box lights, we've got exhaust fans, ceiling fans, pendants, chandeliers, linear recessed lighting, recessed can lighting, both square and round, track lighting, bathroom vanity sconce, and then a couple other sconces. We've even got night lights for the stairs that are recessed in the wall. Then we've got strip lighting for underneath the cabinets or up in maybe trough ceilings or tray ceilings. Then we've got a couple exterior lighting options for landscaping. So all of that comes in what I'm calling the base package. Then in the future, pretty quick here, I hope to be releasing more lighting options. So there'll be future expansion packs that will be in different styles. Right now, these are kind of a generic style that are meant to help anyone who's just trying to get lighting in 3D and create their electrical plan and be able to render something nice, can use all of these light fixtures. But we recognize that there are a segment of you who are using our families who are going to want better looking light fixtures. And so we're going to take time in the next couple months to half of a year to start developing lights that are in cooler styles, maybe like modern, traditional style, contemporary style lights. So you have better options for chandeliers and surface mount lights. So those are coming in the future, but for now, everything is in this base package that you'll need. And in the future packages, you can just buy lights as you need them. You don't have to buy, we're not doing all the outlets in different styles. It's just going to be the lighting. And so you'll see those expansion packs pop up throughout the next year. And if you have any requests, we also take requests. So thanks for watching. You're going to love these families. I hope they solve all your problems, and happy Revit modeling.